Police say on that same day, the 21-year-old suspect hit his mother in the face.
Tonight, investigators believe all the arguing started over music. 7's Jonathan Hall is live in Brockton with the story.
The police say this young man murdered his father last night by stabbing him once in the chest right in front of his own home. And police say this all began with a typical beef that you'd see between a young guy and his parents. But prosecutors say the defendant, Hamilton Goncalves, ended up murdering his own father, 44-year-old Joe Pedro Goncalves, with a small paring knife.
When the officers told the defendant that he was being charged with murder, the defendant kept saying, well, that little knife killed my father. There's no way I can't kill my father.
Monday in mid-afternoon, the family argued about that iPod music. Police say Goncalves ran off after punching his mother in the nose as his dad was in another room calling the police.
The defendant threatened to kill him if he were to call the police.
Police say Goncalves ran off before Brockton police could arrest him for hitting his mother, but returned to his home at 9 p.m. Monday and was confronted by his father. That fight led to the stabbing. His lawyer says Goncalves acted in self-defense after a lifetime of verbal and physical abuse from his dad. He says his father was coming at him enraged.
My client is backing up, retreating every step of the way, and yelling, "Get away from me, don't do this." And he takes out the knife and he waves it.
A woman who lost her husband and perhaps also her son now gets some support from co-workers at a Frito-Lay plant in Randolph. It's a tough time for this family. Goncalves, a native of Cape Verde, is being held without bail. He's been arrested several times over the years for hitting his parents, but he was never convicted. We're live in Brockton, Jonathan Hall, 7 News.